Hi, welcome again to our How to series. Today we'll be looking at how to use our auto assign functionality. Now, the auto assign functionality is a functionality or a feature that helps you organize your live chats interaction and your customer interactions a lot better. It helps you to organize your customers and put them in different categories, as you will see when we look at the auto assign specifically, and then it helps you create teams to be able to manage them. Most importantly, it helps the customers are not in one long, endless queue, and then their issues are routed directly to the team that will support them effectively instead of probably going from one person to another and having a lot of escalation series. It basically helps you create that wow experience for your customer. So let's delve quickly into where it is. So for auto assign, you go to escalation, sorry, configurations. All right. And then within configurations, you go to auto assign. Now, you first go to routing criteria. Now, for routing, for anything that, for customers to be auto assigned, we auto assign in three different categories, either by department or by an issue or by a branch or location. So depending on how you want to categorize interactions and supporting your customers, it's purely these three categories are purely open to you. Um do you want to categorize by branch if you have multiple locations across the country? Do you want, your customers to be attended to based on the kind of issues? So do you have like specialized issues and specialized teams for managing those issues? So for instance, like what you are saying now, card error, dispense error, fraud, stolen card, depending on, your kind of the makeup of your business, you can actually create the issues that customers actually come to talk to you about. Or do you want to do it by department? So typically we see a lot more businesses doing by department. So there are people that are specialists in the different departments, so the marketing, the sales, the IT, engineering. So depending on what you as a customer feels is appropriate, then you're routed to that particular department. So the creating a department is quite easy. Name the department, maybe finance, for instance, and then if there is any sub maybe invoices, for instance, and then you can create this. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, you can see finance invoices created. And then once you've created, this segment, now these basically are the departments that the customers will see when they are chatting. So let's say they start chatting and they say they want to speak to a live chat agent. These departments that you have within the organization, or rather the criteria that you've set, if it is issues, if it is branches, if it is the departments, will be displayed to the customer for him to select which of the criteria he wants to engage with. Now, having done this routing criteria, you come to teams, and then you now create teams against whatever routing criteria that you have set. So creating a team is really quite easy. So you name the team. Let's say we did finance the last time, yeah, and sorry, fine, uh, finance, and then we said invoices, and then we'll put an email address. So let's use this. We'll assign based on department because that's what we choose, and then we'll select people from the sales team or from the finance team or from the engineering team. You can have as many departments just in case one person is not there, and then you begin to search for agents. So for instance, let me put this person and this person and this person and this person, right? Yeah, and then this person, and then you can automatically create a team. And where's my finance team? There they are with all my people. So that's how to create and use an auto assign. And when the customers come to you, it means that these are the people here that will be attending to any customer that actually picks um, finance and they want to discuss invoices. So it reduces the number of escalations that needs to happen, and the customer has a seamless experience. I hope this was helpful. Bye.